balance. So make sure you can get this, and I'm actually going to start doing gestures. I got a long USB cable so that it's easier for me to do the kind of gestures that it's asking me to do. I just got a little extension. They have them in the CSE office. They have other USB extensions if you want. Or if some of you might have long micro cables, you can go ahead and start if you haven't already.
Let's go ahead.
All right, so basically, I think for this assignment, let's keep things simple. Just try to keep the orientation of your device similar across all the samples. Okay? And so it says, hit spacebar to record sample 1 of 5 of gesture backhand tennis. So I hit spacebar, and it told me I'm recording, and that's my backhand gesture. And then I hit spacebar again to stop, and you'll see that it actually created that, and it saved it to the file system. Let's do it again. Backhand tennis. Okay. Now you can make your job much harder by trying to do variations of that gesture. If you try to keep that gesture similar across all of the samples, it'll be easier to do classification. You're going to classify your own gesture set, but to control for that, I've also generated my own gesture set, which you will have to classify. Do you understand this assignment? So let's do it again. I'll just get through this very quickly. Questions so far? I think there's 10 or so of these. Should take you about 10 minutes total. And you could probably start to recognize some similarities already, right? That is the essence of template matching and signal processing and gesture classification. Okay, now I'm supposed to do a forehand tennis, which of course is this way. So I would do a forehand